Hey guys, it's Tiffany Sierra and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to achieve this look. So let's hop right into the video. I'm going to start off by lining my brows with the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow in the shade Rich Brown. And this is what it looks like. And I normally use brow pomade, but I recently ran out, so we're gonna do pencil. Oh, I'm gonna use my mirror, and we're gonna just slightly line my brows. And usually what I do is I build on top of it gradually after I put on concealer. So now I'm gonna fill my brows in. So now that I have my brows all filled in, I'm gonna go in with concealer. And the concealer I'm using today is Wet n Wild. It's the Photofocus concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. And I'm just gonna go in with an Eco brush to conceal my brows. So I just usually take a little bit of product and just kind of get the edge of the brush, like the tip of the brush, with the product, because I don't like to put too much. And I'm just gonna line them lightly. With this Echo Tool brush, and I got it from Simple Drugstore Makeup, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that in all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with the palette from Profusion Cosmetics, and it's a Royal Palette with 10 shades, and I'm just gonna show you that there. And I'm gonna go with the shade Madly, and I'm probably gonna use Cryptic also, so it's gonna be these two shades. So this one and this one up here. So yeah. And I'm just gonna do that for my crease. This is how it looks. Just gonna go in, side, this side. And I'm gonna use my Ulta palette, and this is a pretty old one, but it's I forgot the name of it, but anyone who has been to Ulta, oh, it's the Hello Beautiful palette. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And so we're just gonna go in with this one. And so this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, just to go on my lid. And then we're gonna go in with this shade right here. This is the look so far. And I'm gonna clean this up very nicely. And I'm going to go in with a simple blending brush, no brand. And just blend the two together. So now I'm going to go in with my Eco Tools brush, and there's one with shade and define. I'm going to go with the top brush right here. And I'm going in with my Avon palette, and this is the Avon design palette. So for the next step, I'm going to go in with my concealer again, and I'm just going to put it in the middle just a bit. And now we're going to go in with this shade right here. So far, and now we're going to clean everything up. Now we're going to go in with liner. I'm going in with the Beige Cosmetics liquid liner. And so we're gonna just open this right up. And as you saw in my first video, I got this in a makeup haul. It was in my mini makeup haul. This is how it looks. And it is in color. So we're just gonna line our eyes with this. I'm going to go in with mascara, and the mascara I'm using today is one of my favorites. It is in Maybelline Lots of Lashes. Well, Maybelline GreatLash, and it is in Lots of Lashes. And this is my favorite mascara because it just makes my lashes just whoop. And we're going to come back to this later, and I'm going to start my foundation. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and the foundation I'm using today is the Wet n Wild foundation, just like my concealer, and it's in the shade Amber Beige. And I'm just going to use my little tiny beauty blender to blend in my foundation, and a lot of times I like to use a combination of a brush and a beauty blender, so I'm going to use both. First, I'm actually going to go in with the brush, kind of spread it, and then the beauty blender to kind of correct any of the streaks that the brush might have left. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. Now we're going to go back within the same concealer. Now we're going to go back with the same concealer, and I'm going to do my contour. Now we're going to blend all of this in. Everything is blended in. I am going to go in with bronzer, and I'm going in with the bronzer right here, and the Hello Beautiful palette, Ulta palette. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and go along the sides of my nose. To do to just kind of blend it out is I go on back in with a foundation brush and just pat over so that's how it looks. Very nice. And now I'm going to do my baking. And then go back in with the other side of the same beauty blender. And I'm going in with the Photofocus loose setting powder in shade Banana. Right, so we're gonna let that sit. And I am going to go in and do my lashes. And the lashes I'll be using today are by House of Lashes, and it's in the shade. The lashes I'll be using today are by House of Lashes, and it is Natalia Mini. And these are the lashes I'm using. So we're just gonna pop this open. So I'm going to be using the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe by Kiss, I think, yeah. And I like this one because it is black and it kind of blends in. But I usually like to use either black or clear. I don't like using white because it just kind of leaves a weirdish tint to the, like, on the lashes. So we're just gonna kind of take these. God, these are so stuck to there. Now we're gonna wipe off all of my, what is this, setting powder. Now we're gonna wipe off all the setting powder. Use this brush by Wet n Wild. Now we're gonna go in and just add a little extra details before I highlight. And now I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna apply some highlight. And this is also by Wet n Wild, and it's highlighting powder in Golden Flower Crown shade.
Forget about the lies. They're keeping you in hiding. Come and be
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of mine. Please stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.